This is a lesson on how to play the riff from Whole Lotta Love by Led Zeppelin. So we're going to begin up here with our 7th fret on E. Then we'll get the 5th fret on A with our index. And we'll hit those 2 notes again. So it goes 7, 5, 7, 5. And I pick that down, up, down, up. And for an extra bit of bonus points / complication, you could slide into that 7 and add in vibrato. Okay, so the slide, I'd be going roughly from around the 2nd fret. So you could practice that on its own. And even if you didn't do the vibrato, still sounds cool. The vibrato then, there are lessons done on vibrato. I'll link them in the description below once they're uploaded. That'll be the wiggle sound. Then we get our power chord, which is on the 7th fret of the A string. So 7th fret on A, pinky on 9 of D. And that's what we get. So you hit that. Okay, so that repetitive pattern goes as follows. You're going to strum down on the power chord, then up, down, up on the E string above it. So it goes chord, up, down, up, chord. And I'm palm muting that E string at the top. That makes sure it doesn't get out of control. To palm mute it, just rest your palm down near the bottom of the guitar. And the way I count that is, every time I hit that chord, I count that as 1. And once I get up to 7, I'll stop. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And that's the main riff.